Alright guys, welcome to this new video. This is about winter storm. I think it starts with a C. I forget. But we have a winter storm that's moving through the area, and I'm going to track this for you guys. This is a different setup we're going to be trying out for a little bit. I'm going to move to a different room here because it is loud. My sisters are watching Inside Out too. Alright, that was a good room here. Alright, so we're going to be talking about this winter storm. The first thing, we're going to go to the channel here. And as you can see, we have a winter storm warning. Winter storm warning. Action recommended. Make preparations per the instruction. You can see we're getting some sleet and snow. I love those. I hate freezing rain. It keeps glitching here. I don't know why. 99% for Greenville, South Carolina. This is my area, and we're going to get to you guys pretty soon. This is my area. You can see, that did change. It keeps glitching. So as you can see, 3 to 5 inches of snow. This thing really keeps glitching. 3 to 5 inches of snow. Night is snow and ice accumulations around 1 inch. Boy, this thing has been glitching over the last week or so. I don't know why. I really just need to figure this out. Anyways, but as you can see, for my area, oh my goodness, this thing is annoying. It starts around 10 a.m. and then we start off with 0.2 inches of snow, another 0.2. Oh my goodness, this thing is just Please stop it. I'm just trying to do my job here. 0.3. This gets heavier. 0.4. Gets really heavy. 0.6 at 2 p.m. This gets real heavy. 0.6 at 3 p.m. 4 p.m. 0.6. 5 p.m. 0.5. And then we have that sleet and possibly some freezing rain. I think this is going to be a sleet right here. And that could add up about 1 inch of sleet, or 3/4 of an inch of sleet. So that could be crazy. So 0.2 plus 0.2 is 4, 7, 1.1, 1.7, 2.3, 2.3 plus 2.3 plus 6 is, let's see, that is 2.9, and then we have extra, so that's 3.4, and then we have an extra inch. So that is around 4 inches. Okay, that's around 4.5 inches of just sleet and snow. Freezing rain could mix in with that, make it kind of slushy and icy. I would not like that at all. So I'm really hoping that does not happen. Anyways, let's get out of here because this thing just keeps glitching. We're going to go to the National Weather Service here about this snow. So we're going to go Tropical Tibbetts GFS. And then you could have some damaging wind in Louisiana and some heavy rain. So you really need to be careful. Now you see this high pressure system right here? That's going to steer some of this a little downward so it can't move up. Do you understand that? And then this high pressure system right here is going to move it kind of a little upward as it gets closer to the coast. Now, as you can see, the purple right here is sleet, and the pink is freezing rain. The rain is green, and the snow is blue. So, because I'm getting some sleet, and then it moves on to freezing rain, And then it moves off to rain for a lot of South Carolina, some parts of North Carolina. And it's just a big slushy mess at the end. And it's not looking good at all. Now it's currently almost 10 p.m. where I'm at here, and I'm seeing some snow already happening. So let's go over to what's happening live right now. Right, let's see. We gotta wait for this guy to load. It has already started, so we are going to let this thing load, and we are going to show you guys what is happening. You can see right now, seems like they actually switched it. Okay. Anyways, you can see this is not showing the snow for some reason. We need to, let's see. Snow. Yes, snow. All right, probability of 4 inches is on probability. So we want day 1 and day 1. There we go. That is good. So this is day 1. This is today. I'm pretty sure this is today, I think. And you can see if you're in that purple, you have a really high chance of seeing more than 4 inches of snow. So that could be pretty devastating. And the ice component with this storm is not really that big as Blair's. And I think I just remembered what this winter storm name. It's Cora. Yes, finally remembered. I don't know why it was so hard for me to remember, but I finally remembered. This is Winter Storm Cora. You can see it is moving in to Arkansas and Missouri right now. And Memphis is starting to get hit with this. I feel like the southeast and southeast, southwest, south, basically all of South Memphis, south of the city and west of the city, they've been just getting snow showers, but it's not even hitting the ground because it's battling that dry air right now. And so it's not even snowing on the ground. It's literally not. I looked at the cameras earlier. It's not even snowing. So it's gonna be a while until they start to get their snow. It could be a little bit here. And then let's see. I think that is pretty much it on Radar Omega. Let's go back to Tropical Tibbets here. Let's do the ensembles. Let's do global models. Let's do the icon model. All right. So this thing, where is the low? They don't even have a low there for some reason. Oh, there's the low. All right, so it's a low. The numbers aren't showing up for some reason. All right, there's the low. It's right there. You can see the time frame at your upper right corner over here. And it's 1 a.m. January 10th. This thing is not going long. All right, let's try another model here. Let's try the CMC. All right, so you can see this is 7 a.m. January 10th. This is 1 p.m. And see it's starting to move into South Carolina, around the area where I live. See that sleet line right there forming. That is going to happen. So Columbia could be getting a lot of sleet and freezing rain and some rain mixed in with that. And then this is 7 p.m. So you can see that sleet's already mixed in. We got that snow in North Carolina and Tennessee. The snow starts to come back around because that cold, you can see that trough there. So this little dip here is a trough, and it's bringing back that cold air, so the snow's coming back in. at this point. This is 1 a.m., January 11th, so this is Saturday now. This is 7 a.m. Saturday, and it's already moving out now, just basically west, North Carolina, some parts of Georgia, South Carolina, Virginia, and basically around east of the Ohio Valley is, and the mid-east is getting some light snow, which I think that may happen. So, and then it moves out of there, and let's see, is there any other things that really come together? I saw one on January 20th, but I'm not sure if this goes that far. I'm not sure. Oh, it does get close to there. So we'll be talking about that maybe a little later, but it's starting to show something. This could be our next snowstorm, guys. This could be our next snowstorm. So I'm just predicting this. This is what I think. So let's do another model. Let's do the ensembles. Let's do the GPS. All right, so this is 500 millibars height and anomaly. So you can see this thing's coming over, cold air mass. It goes back up because we have that southeasterly winds coming in. That's why at the end of the storm, if you live in South Carolina, parts of Georgia, around from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., you're going to have that band of sleet and freezing rain. The reason is because we have this warm air rising because of that southeast, and that's going to fall as sleet or freezing rain, which is ice, and that's going to cause it to warm. Watch this. It gets warmer, and then this is January 25th. Wow, that goes far. And it's kind of warm for a while, and you can actually see that if you go on your weather. You can see how it gets warmer after the storm. But the thing is, you're going to have some hard freezes before, if you live in South Carolina, Georgia, parts of North Carolina, and basically anywhere. If you get snow, that snow is going to freeze us because it's going to kind of melt on Saturday. It's going to get to a high of 40 where I am, and that's going to cause it to melt a little bit, and it's going to make the roads a little watery, and then it's going to refreeze, and that's going to happen for like the next couple of days, and Monday schools could be closed again. Because of this, there could be black ice, icy roads still. So this could have an effect because the snowplows can't really get that ice there. So it's going to be there for a while, especially those big potholes that you got. That's going to cause some black ice. So you got to be real careful there. Now, let's see. Let's do the EPS fast. See what this says. It's January 19th. Well, this is a little bit different. So this is right now. This is minus 36. Let's go. So this is this was this morning. That is so this is the morning of Friday. And see that cold air mass moves over, and then that warm comes, but it's not really doing the time frame. All right, let's look at some other stuff. Why is this showing? I don't want this anymore. I want let's see if I can do, this, that is a typhoon, and I do not want this cyclone or typhoon right now. All right, trying to move it. Okay. We are going to get out of here. We are going to go. Let's see. Let's go back to the weather channel. I'm going to show you some of the radar and what's happening right now. Okay. And then my expectations for this storm. All right, so you can see where I am right now. we have the storm. This is right now. You can see it's moving in through the area, like places like Mississippi, Arkansas, parts of Texas, some Oklahoma, spreading up to Missouri and Kansas, and it's going to quickly move into Tennessee and Alabama shortly here. And then that's going to move in. Let's look at the future radar and see what happens. See, this moves in. That's as far as I can go, but let's see if I can go farther. Oh, I know what I can do. Okay. You can see these are your snow totals, and the next this is your snow totals in the past 24 hours. And then let's see. So that's what you've already gotten. And then I think I may be able to do 24. I'm not sure if I can do that. I should get the premium sometime. I really should. Yeah, my mom. Because she will get anything for me that's like learning. This is the learning. But this is, I hope to be meteorologist. My name is Finnegan O'Shaughnessy. I have Fin/Weather. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like and turn on notifications for any storms just like this. And we will keep you updated. I'm probably gonna have a time lapse tomorrow morning, and we'll have a video me playing in the snow. So you see, currently have winter storm warning. And let's look at the future snow totals and sleet accumulation and that stuff, and then we will end this. GFS and Euro snow accumulations. Let's see. Let's do that for Europe. We don't want Europe. There we go. This is good. 15. All right. I don't think that's what we want. We want. Here we go. All right. So this is right now, January 9th, 10 p.m. This is 2 a.m. Friday, 8 a.m. Friday. You can see this snow starts to spread east. Now we start to get those snow totals, gets into South Carolina and North Carolina now. And see, we're getting up to over a foot now in places as Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. This is 2 p.m. Friday. Ooh, 5 inches already. For me, that's crazy. Wow. And it quickly spreads. And then it heads off and it is gone. Boy, my mouth is very dry. Sorry. Let's see. Oh, yes, this is perfect. Oh, wait, that's the thing we just saw. No, let's do pivotal weather here. I always says air. I don't know why. Right. So this is our meteorologist, Chris Justice. Like he's saying 2 to 4 for my area. I'm thinking 3 to 5 now because the snow totals have increased since then. So I'm going to say, let's see. Trying to find something. I'm going to go to Google. Perfect. Right. So you can see that snow moves in. Get 2. Spreads east. Goes in. Ooh, that is a lot of snow. I feel like that's a bit of an outlier. Let's see. Wow, that is crazy. That is definitely an outlier. Let's not do that one. Look away, guys. That is not true at all. let's go. Let's do H. Let's do H. Our resolution rapid refresh. That's what it stands for. It's not giving it to me. I don't think that's gonna work. All right. So as you can see, this is the HRRR. High resolution rapid refresh. All right. So this is 11 p.m. Thursday. This is 12 a.m. Friday. This is 1 a.m. 2 a.m. This only goes for a bit. This is the Tuesday. Let's do, the NAM is horrible. I'll show you guys the NAM actually because it is just sad. Absolutely sad. Like, I'm not even kidding. Alright. So the snow, it moves east kind of slowly. It seems like that southeasterly wind is pushing up all that warm air up, and that snow line forms. Then we just start getting hammered with some sleet here, and it is crazy. And then it just blows up on us, so we barely get any snow at all, only a little bit there. And you can just see, let me, keeps doing that anyways. All right, so this is basically, oh, here it is. This is the NAM. I don't care. I don't want to sign up. So you can see a little more. I think that was for Winter Storm Blair. Yeah, that's not what we want. All right. So thank you for watching my video, guys. I will keep you updated. Make sure you check out some of our more videos. And I'm going to try to get better at doing this because this is my first time ever doing this. And I will get better at doing this. And thank you so much for watching. And goodbye.